Welcome to today's English learning video. In this lesson, we'll learn how to talk at the doctor's office in English, from describing your symptoms to getting advice and medicine. You'll learn useful phrases, real-life conversation, a natural pronunciation, common mistakes to avoid. Let's begin. Part 2. Vocabulary Preview. Narrator. First, let's learn some important words you'll hear at a doctor's office. English word. Meaning. Example. Appointment. Meeting time with a doctor. I'd like to book an appointment. Symptoms. Signs of illness. What are your symptoms? Prescription. Doctor's written advice for medicine. Here's your prescription. Fever. High body temperature. I have a fever. A cough. Sound made when air comes out of lungs suddenly. I've been coughing a lot. Sore throat. Pain in the throat. My throat feels sore. Headache. Pain in the head. I have a headache. Dizziness. Feeling unsteady or lightheaded. I feel dizzy. Medicine. Drugs for treatment. Take this medicine twice a day. Rest. Relax and not work. You should take some rest. Part 3. Dialogue 1. Booking an appointment. Receptionist. Good morning. How can I help you? Patient. Hi. I'd like to book an appointment with the doctor, please. Receptionist. Sure. What seems to be the problem? Patient. I've been feeling very weak, and I have a sore throat. Receptionist. Okay. The doctor is available at 3 p.m. today. Would that work for you? Patient. Yes, that's perfect. Receptionist. Great. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon. Part 5. Dialogue 2. Meeting the doctor. Doctor. Good afternoon. Please come in. What brings you here today? Patient. Good afternoon, doctor. I've been feeling sick since yesterday. Doctor. I see. Can you tell me more about your symptoms? Patient. Yes, I've got a headache, sore throat, and a slight fever. Doctor. Do you have a cough or any body pain? Patient. A little cough, yes, and I feel very tired. Doctor. How long have you been feeling this way? Patient. Since last night. Doctor. Did you take any medicine before coming here? Patient. Just 1 tablet of paracetamol. Doctor. All right. Let me check your temperature and throat. Open your mouth, please. Patient. Ah. Doctor. It looks a bit red. Your temperature is slightly high. 100.5 degrees. It seems like you have a mild throat infection. Patient. Oh, I see. Is it serious? Doctor. Not really. I'll prescribe you some medicine and you'll feel better in 2 or 3 days. Part 5. Giving advice. Doctor. Here's what you need to do. Take this antibiotic twice a day after meals. Drink plenty of water. Avoid cold drinks and ice cream. Get enough rest. Patient. Thank you, doctor. Should I come back for a follow-up? Doctor. Yes. Come back after 3 days if you don't feel better. Patient. Okay, I will. Doctor. Take care and get well soon. Patient. Thank you so much.